Now we've arrived at our third and final card strip. This is where the real magic happens. Let's dive into part 3. We are going to explore advanced 3-dimensional stitches that will truly bring your embroidery to life. We begin with the fly stitch in this soft peach color. Think of this as a little V or a bird in flight. Bring your needle up on the left and go down on the right, leaving a loop. Then bring your needle up in the center bottom hole to catch that loop and take a tiny stitch over it to pin it down. It's a simple, elegant stitch that adds a lovely airy feel to any design. Next is the feather stitch in blue. This is actually a series of connected fly stitches. Instead of finishing each V separately, we move back and forth from left to right, catching the loop each time. It creates a beautiful flowing branch-like effect. This is one of the most popular stitches for nature-inspired borders. If you have your straw needles ready, now is the perfect time to use them for those beautiful knots and coils. Let's add that final wow factor to our collection. Now for a fan favorite, the French knot in bold red. Using your straw needle, bring the thread up, wrap it twice around the needle, and go back down right next to where you started. The secret is to hold the thread tail taut with your other hand until the knot sits snugly against the card. These look like tiny, perfect berries or flower centers. Let's try the bullion knot using green floss. This is where the straw needle really shines. You'll wrap the thread around the needle many times. I'm doing about 12 or 15 wraps here to create a long coil. Slide the needle through all those loops carefully, and you get a raised 3D worm or petal shape. It's so textured and impressive. Our 19th stitch is the cast-on stitch in purple. This is a very unique technique where we loop the thread onto the needle as if we were knitting. I first wrap the thread around my fingertip to create a loop, and then I carefully slide that loop onto the needle tip. Once you pull the needle through, it creates a thick raised loop that stands off the card. It adds amazing volume and is perfect for creating high-end couture-style details. Finally, we finish our journey with the Lazy Daisy in beige. This is a detached chain stitch. You create one single loop and pin it down with a tiny stitch at the top. When you group these in a circle, they form a perfect delicate flower. It's the perfect way to conclude our 20-stitch library. Whether you're a student, a kid, or just starting from zero, you now have the skills to create unforgettable memories. And there we have it, 20 beautiful hand embroidery stitches, all mastered on your practice card. This is just the beginning of our journey. Very soon I'll be back to show you how to use these stitches to create stunning handmade card designs. We'll take everything we learned today and turn it into something truly special that you can gift to your loved ones.